Wonderful newer home on 369 acres in Union Grove ISD. Home features 4 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. 4th bedroom was a carport that was recently converted. Covered front porch leads into an open kitchen and living room setup great for entertaining. Kitchen features an island with bar seating and a breakfast area and pantry. Laundry room has been updated nicely and is right off of kitchen for easy access. Living area offers high ceilings and wood-burning fireplace. Master bedroom is good-sized with large walk-in closet and bathroom, double sinks, jetted tub and walk-in shower. All new carpet in living area and bedrooms. Out back you will find a covered patio, 24 feet by 35 feet metal shop on slab with electricity and 2 overhead doors. There is also a 8 feet by 8 feet shed with AC that is currently used as AC shed. Location allows for easy access to Gladwater, Gilmer and Longview. Come see. Come by.